How to solve SUVAT exam questions number 3. A. A cricketer throws a ball vertically upwards so that the ball leaves his hands at a speed of 25 metres per second. If air resistance can be neglected, calculate the maximum height reached by the ball. And write down SUVAT. We want the maximum height. The initial velocity, 25 metres per second. If it's the maximum height, that is when the ball reaches 0 metres per second at the top before it starts falling down again. The acceleration is gravity, 9.81 metres per second squared. We have no information on the time, so we use the no-t equation. From the datasheet, the no-t equation, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So I'll write that down. V squared equals u squared plus 2as, and substitute in v is 0 equals u 25 squared plus 2 times by minus 9.81 times by s. We need to be careful about the minus sign because this ball is slowing down, so it's deceleration. Rearranging, we get minus 625, because 25 goes to the other side, equals minus 2 times 9.81, 19.62 s. So that our minus signs cancel out, hence why we need to be careful of them. S equals 625 divided by 19.62, which equals 31.9 to 3 significant figures. Meters. The time taken to reach maximum height. We've got the same information again, except instead of wanting to find s, we want to find t, so we'll use the no s equation. From the datasheet, the no s equation, v equals u plus at. So we'll say v equals u plus at. Substituting in gives us v is 0 equals u 25 plus a minus 9.81 times by t. Minus sign because it's slowing down, so rearranging, that gives us minus 25 equals minus 9.81 t. So therefore t is 25 divided by 9.81, which is 2.55 seconds to 3 significant figures. Part 3. The speed of the ball when it is 50% of maximum height. We'll write down SUVAT because these have changed. Our S value is now half of our maximum height, 31.9 divided by 2, which is 15.95 metres. The other values remain the same. 25 metres per second is the initial velocity. We want to know the speed now. That's what we're trying to find out, the speed when it gets to that. The acceleration is still gravity, 9.81 metres per second squared. The time, we don't know, so we've got to use the no-t equation. The no-t equation was v squared equals u squared plus 2as. This time we're trying to find out v, so we'll say our v squared equals u squared 25 squared plus 2 times by 9.81 times by 15.95 minus 9.81, being careful. So we get v squared equals 625 minus 2 times 9.81 times 15.95, 312.939 giving us 312.061. That's v squared, so square root. V is the square root of that answer, 17.7 metres per second to 3 significant figures. Part B. When catching the ball, the cricketer moves his hands for a short distance in the direction of travel of the ball as it makes contact with his hands. Explain why this technique results in less force being exerted on the cricketer's hands. Newton's second law. States force is proportional to change in momentum over change in time. So, by increasing the time that the change takes place over, the time for change, the rate of change of momentum is lower, so the force is lower.